Entrepreneurship, driving innovation within existing organizations. Title: Entrepreneurship, driving innovation within existing organizations. Introduction, approximately 150 words. In today's ever-evolving business landscape, innovation is crucial for the long-term success of any organization. While startups are often hailed as the epitome of innovation, existing organizations also have the potential to foster entrepreneurial thinking and drive change from within. This concept is known as entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship empowers employees to take risks, think creatively, and develop innovative ideas within the confines of their existing organization. This article will explore the significance of entrepreneurship, its benefits, and how organizations can cultivate a thriving entrepreneurial culture. Section 1: Understanding Entrepreneurship, approximately 300 words. To grasp the concept of entrepreneurship, one must first understand the distinction between entrepreneurship and intrapreneurship. While entrepreneurship refers to the act of creating a new business from scratch, intrapreneurship encourages employees to apply an entrepreneurial mindset within an established organization. Intrapreneurship thrives on autonomy, creativity, and calculated risk-taking. It engages employees at all levels, from frontline workers to top executives, in identifying new opportunities and developing innovative solutions. By harnessing the talents and diverse perspectives of its workforce, organizations can tap into a vast pool of untapped potential for growth and innovation. Section 2: The benefits of entrepreneurship, approximately 400 words. Organizations that actively foster entrepreneurship can reap a multitude of benefits. Firstly, entrepreneurial initiatives lead to the development of new products, services, or processes, which can provide a competitive edge in the market. By encouraging employees to think outside the box, organizations can stay ahead of the curve, adapt to changing market dynamics, and even disrupt their own industry. Secondly, entrepreneurship promotes employee engagement and motivation. When employees are given the freedom to explore their ideas, they feel valued and empowered, leading to higher job satisfaction and productivity. This, in turn, reduces employee turnover and attracts top talent. Moreover, entrepreneurship nurtures a culture of continuous learning and professional development. As employees pursue entrepreneurial projects within the organization, they acquire new skills, expand their knowledge, and become more adaptable to change. The organization, as a whole, becomes a learning organism that thrives on innovation and growth. Section 3: Building an entrepreneurial culture, approximately 550 words. To establish a culture of entrepreneurship, organizations must create an environment that supports risk-taking, fosters creativity, and rewards innovation. Here are a few strategies to consider. 1. Encourage idea generation. Organizations should provide platforms for employees to pitch and share their ideas. This can be done through brainstorming sessions, idea competitions, or dedicated innovation teams. Senior leadership should actively listen and support these ideas, creating a safe space for employees to voice their entrepreneurial aspirations. 2. Allocate resources. Entrepreneurs need resources and support.